Guys, Max Payne info here. In this video, I will guide you how to install Flangapp SAAS based version on cpanel with the help of CodeMagic and GitHub. For this, you need to make sure these all the mention points are correct. If you have anything wrong in your script, then please compare with these points. Thereafter, go ahead. First of all, you need to create Gmail account, and please create Gmail account dummy. Do not use your personal or business Gmail. Please make sure you use any dummy Gmail account because CodeMagic marketing on that email. I got an email yesterday, so I have created here one dummy email account. Now first of all, I will create GitHub account. So github.com, enter your email ID, generate password, username, no. Okay, now click on create account. Will send verification code. Click just me student, continue, go for free. Congratulations, your account has been created. You have to install GitHub desktop, link given in the documentation file. So go to desktop.github.com, download and install. I have already installed it. Go to file, option, sign in, continue with browser. I have already logged in GitHub browser, so I will authorize. Now open. Okay, so GitHub desktop also logged in. Create a new repository. So file, new repository, enter the name, description, select none, then create repository. Now click on publish repository. Keep this code private, make sure this tick. Go to github.com, see here repository created. Now we have to copy the Android code, sorry, Flutter code. So what I will do, I will open the local path. So click on show in Explorer. Here you can find the path. Now I will extract code. Here I have name as upload on GitHub. So I will extract, replace. Okay, perfect. Now open GitHub. In summary, make sure you write first letter as capital. Click on the commit to main. Okay, great. Then thereafter click on push origin. You can see same thing, push origin in document. So we'll click on push origin. Now it's uploading. Perfect. It's uploaded. So now check on github.com. Okay, all the project code uploaded. Now I will go to CodeMagic. Create a new account. Created account, authentication code will be come on your email. Continue, skip onboarding. Okay, perfect. Now go to left side, click on icon user setting, click on GitHub connect and authorize CodeMagic. Okay, perfect. Now GitHub also connected. Click on install app, all repository, install and authorize. Okay, perfect. Now it's also authorized. You can find in GitHub setting applications. You can see CodeMagic is installed and authorized to access my account. Okay, now apps, add your first app, click on GitHub, next. It will automatically fetch your repository. Click on Flutter app via workflow editor, finish, add application. Okay, now I will go to my SQL database. So I will create here database, create database. Now create an user. Make sure you remember password. Now assign the database to user. Add all privileges, make changes. I will go to file manager. So make sure you install this code on domain, but someone on our community told this also work on subdomain, but I have not tested because once I tested I was failed. So I figured out without subdomain on public HTML it's working perfectly. So I have used add-on domain. Now click on upload. I will upload Flangapp 1.2. Okay, successfully uploaded. Now extract it. Okay, and now delete 1.2 zip file. Now you have to open the your domain name slash backend slash install slash index. Enter. Okay, you will find Flangapp installation. Now copy your domain name with the slash. Database name I will copy from here. Database username also I will copy. Enter the password you have created. Continue. Now username of GitHub, so I will write here API token. So now we'll go to GitHub, go to settings, go to left side, last one option developer setting, then personal access token, then generate a new token, tick repo, admin repo hook, and delete repo. Then generate a token. This token you can write somewhere, so if you fail in the installation then you can use it again, otherwise you will be not able to see this token. GitHub, click on this and copy last this one. GitHub username, API token generated from GitHub, API token generated from Course Magic. Go to user setting. Here you can click on show, copy project ID. You can find the project ID in the, click on the finish build setup, click on the webhooks, and this last one is your project ID. Enter here and continue. Great. Now create an email account for admin. Minimum 8 character. Great. Installation of script successfully. Now delete the install file. So we'll go to file manager, backend, app, controllers, install, click right click, rename, and rename it as installs. Okay, now go to your domain name, enter the ID password, successfully login. Here you can click on icon, control panel, settings. From here you can change everything like application name. Do not change site URL, currency code, logo, image, each and everything. I have already created all the size of images, so you can upload. Click on save changes. So it will ask you for Stripe publickey field because this is version 1.2, sorry 1.2. So now what you can do, you can update 1.3. I will guide you how you can do this. So now go to file manager, click on upload, select file and update 1.3. Now update 1.3, open, uploaded successfully, refresh here and extract it. Make sure before doing this you can compress the 1.2 working file. Click right click, compress, zip, its name working 1.2, compress. So if anything wrong you can restore it. Update, right click, extract, extract. So it is extracted. Now go to database, phpmyadmin, found here database. Now click on database name, click on import, click browse, and deposit methods SQL file open. Click on go. Successfully inserted query. Now you can find here deposit methods. Yes, got this. Okay, now go to your domain name and refresh the panel. You see this is the v1.3 because v1.3 have some changes in the settings. v1.2 contains type key here and there is no another payment gateway, but v1.3 have multiple payment methods, so it have already its own tab. So go to payment methods, you can find each and every payment method here. I will not guide you how to use payment method because uh, I am from the country where required too much documentation. Because I am using razor, I can use the only razor, so they need to confirm the website and require some documentation files, etc. So I will not use. So I will guide you how you can do this for yourself. If you want to use this script as a SaaS, then make sure you configure the PayPal or another payment gateway. So disable all the payment gateway. How? You can write here public key and secret key. Anything you want to write, save first public key, second secret key. Okay, all payment gateways are disabled. Now make sure you create at least one plan. So go to plan, create plan, bills quantity, whatever you want to assign, whatever price you want to assign, and create an application. So go to create new application. Here enter the name of application, enter the link of your website name. I will enter google.co.in or google.com, whatever you want. Make sure if you select drawer plus bar, then you need to enter the bar information, sorry, drawer information. But if you are using only blank, then nothing you have to created. Now here you can enter the change your app name, link, app id, whatever you want, app.google or whatever, means two dot is required compulsory. Now click save. Okay, successfully saved. Now go to design. Here you can change the all the theme colors and etc you want. Here you can change light theme, dark theme, display app by title, not, or you can use progress indicator. If you have selected drawer plus by, then you have to create a drawer. If you have not used, then do not have to use. Okay, now click on save changes. Okay, successfully saved. If you have used any navigation, then you can enter here localization, graphic asset. If you want to configure the splash screen, etc, you can upload everything here. Okay, 2436. Now logo image. Okay, now app icon. Here you can see already mentioned png or jpg file, in app icon only png. So make sure you upload png. Okay, now it will stuck here, maybe this is bug, I don't know. So you can simply refresh it. All the icons loaded, save changes. Push setting, this push setting not working properly. So if I found a resolution, then I will create new video. App download, new build. It will infinitely go to build. So for this, what you have to do, I forgot the one step. Go to cpanel. Okay, so now go to, you have to go to cron jobs in the cpanel, then select the common setting and select the once per minute. Thereafter enter the command you have to enter curl call -s, then this one given in the documentation, and your domain name here. Then add new cron job, it will look like this. Okay, thereafter you have to go to app builder and you have to go to create a new app. Okay, now click on new build. Perfect. See, choose signing method. There is no signing method, so I will add signing method. Click on plus, Android keys, upload key, name for the list. So someone on community applied, sorry, give us a keystore. So for demo purpose, I am using that keystore. So for that, okay. So keystore I have here. Now we'll upload keystore from choose a JKS file and upload keystore. The keystore name is Flangapps. So I will write here Flangapps. Keystore password was Flangapps. Enter the password, upload file and save key. Successfully uploaded. Now go to database, then go to apps, go to find out the application name you have entered. Here you can see Instagram, just I have entered. So click on edit, then here go to balance, enter the balance you want to assign, then go. Now here you see 0 balance, refresh it, you see 5 balance. Now click on new build, choose signing, APK or AAB, whatever you want. Click on start build. Once it started, you will see building screen here. See, this is building. Now as per my analysis, it will take around 7 minutes. So now you can track all the steps how your app is building. Go to Code Magic, builds. Here you can see the site, sorry, the app is building. Now if it shows blue color, then it is building. If shows green color, then it's successfully built. If this shows red color, then it's failed to build. Now you can take all the build steps. Simply click on three dots of the app you want to see. Click on view build. Here you can find all the details of machine, branch name and duration. Here you can see app is building, preparing build machine. It will take around 7 minutes, so wait for 7 minutes. Guys, you can see here building APK with Flutter is successfully completed. There is no HTTP notification in red, or no cleaning step is red. You can download APK also from here, and you can see the source green. That means the app successfully built. Now go to your site, and this is so still building. So simply click on refresh. It will show you completed, and click on download button. See here, you can download it also. Okay, so now balance also deducted from 5 to it goes to 4, and you can create another build with the same method. Okay, there is no need to change anything from database. Just only one step is you have to change the balance from the database mentioned in the last step. Otherwise everything will be working perfectly if you follow these steps. Still, if you have any question, you can connect me on community. Thank you. Enjoy.